Attributes adalah attributes, total number of attributes of one relation. Attribute is one set values for one or more attributes, one row in one relation. One row in one relation, also known as record in MS table, number of tuples. Okay, so what is the answer for the first one? Total number of attributes. What's the answer for this? Class, what's the first one?
Degree.
Degree. So degree is for attributes. Okay, so this will be degree. I can't answer here. So this will be degree. Okay, second one set values for one or more attributes. What is that? What is that? One set values. Okay, Kavina, what is the answer for this? One set values for one or more attributes. Kavina? Kavina, are you there?
Yes, one.
What's the answer for the second one? What's the answer for the second one? I thought everyone did already. Kavina, are you there? Kavina?
Yes, but I think attribute.
What is that? What's the answer?
Attribute.
Attribute. Okay, anyone else can help Kavina?
Domain.
Yes, the answer
Oh,
is
madam, domain.
domain. Domain. The answer is domain. Okay, the answer. Wait, let me save this. Then only I can write. I thought I've given you all to do, right? So you all should be giving me the answer as soon as possible when I request. Okay, because we have more to go. Okay, so if you do not know this one, that means you are not going to know a lot of things. That's why I expect you to give me the answer now itself. Okay, so the first one is, what was that? The first one?
Degree.
Degree. Okay, the first one, I put red pen lah, easier. Okay, so degree. Okay, the second one?
Domain.
Domain is the one. Okay, you see here. Wait, I bring everything here. Okay. Okay, I bring here. Oh, where's your notes? Okay, this is not. Okay. Domain is the one which will have, you see, domain is a set of values allowed for an attribute. Example like gender, you will have male and female. That's why they set values. Okay, like state, we will have Pinang, Perak, Selangor, Kedah. Like marital status, it will be married, single. So when you put gender or state or marital status, that means it allows a set of values to be there. Okay. Okay, so third one, what is that?
Tuple.
Tuple is always the row. Okay, tuple is the row. Okay, fourth one will be total number of tuples of one relation, number of rows ataupun number of tuples. Tuple adalah row. Okay, tuples adalah row. Okay, and this is number of tuples, apa dia?
Cardinality.
Yes, cardinality. Okay, final one. This is column. So dalam table, bila kita ada kolom macam ni kolom ya, ni kolom, lepas tu kita akan ada row. Kolom ni setiap satu value ni kita panggil dia sebagai apa dia? Apa jawapan kat sini? Attribute, okay? Dalam table kan kita akan ada kolom dengan row kan? Okay, so dalam table biasa pun. Okay, kalau nama dekat sini, nombor matrik dekat sini, okay, nombor IC, nombor matrik ke, okay? So yang ini kita panggil attribute. Okay, bilangan attribute ni kita panggil sebagai degree, bilangan dia. Okay, row dia kalau nama katakan Alia, Kabina, okay. So row ni kita panggil dia sebagai tuple dan dia punya bilangan dia kita panggil sebagai cardinality. Okay, so exercise ni kita ada 4 table dekat sini. So list all the attributes for each table. Okay, so table 1, apa attribute dia? Yang mana attribute dia? Table 1 apa attribute dia? Can you all name me? I'm going to call by name, so you all must tell me the answer. Okay? Wait, hang already. My this one. Wait, you wait for a while. This one hang. Okay, so the first table, what are the attributes? Tell me. Whom to call? Adib Omar.
Yes, madam.
Okay, saya punya ni hang lah. Okay, yang mana attribute untuk table pertama?
Attribute.
Untuk table 1, list all the attributes for first table.
List all the
Sekejap, I punya
customer.
Okay.
Customer number.
Okay,
Customer
kemudian?
name.
Okay.
Customer name. Customer address.
Okay, so that will be, I might hang lah. I don't know what happened. Wait, let me go back. Okay, ready. Sometimes it always hang. Okay, so the question ya, yang pertama ni, so you namakan lah, I tak nak tulis lah. Okay, you namakan dia. Soalan pertama ni dia tanya all the attributes for each table. So table 1, adik baru bagi tahu I customer number, customer name, customer address. For table 2 apa dia? Okay, sekejap. Untuk ni, attribute dia adalah, yang ini adalah attribute, yang ini adalah attribute, yang ini adalah attribute. Okay. So untuk ni, apa dia punya degree? Okay, Merlin, what is the degree for this?
3.
3, okay. 3, degree means 3 because the attribute, we have 3 attributes. So the degree is 3. When you, the number of attributes is degree. Okay. So now, which one is tuple? Which one is tuple? This one we called it as attribute. Which one is tuple? Suyuf? Yang mana tuple dekat gambar ni? Suyuf? Suyuf, are you there?
Ya, Puan.
Okay, yang mana tuple? Tengok yang atas ni adalah attribute. Okay, bilangan attribute kita panggil sebagai degree. Okay, Suyuf. Yang mana tuple?
Customer.
Yang mana tuple? You boleh cakap dalam yang biasa punya. Macam ni, attribute adalah kolom. Okay, attribute adalah kolom dia. Tuple adalah Suyuf?
Tak sure.
Tuple is the row, right?
Okay, tuple is the row. Yes, this is your tuple. Okay, tuple ni, bilangan tuple ni, number of tuple ni, kita tuple ni kita panggil sebagai cardinality. So how many cardinality are there? What is the cardinality? I call Abhinaya. How many cardinality are there? 5. Okay, ni bilangan ni. Ni tuple kan, ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita panggil dia cardinality. Number of row tu, tuple ni sebenarnya adalah row. Okay, tapi dalam database kita panggil row tu tuple dan bilangan tuple tu kita panggil sebagai cardinality. Dan database juga kita panggil kolom dia sebagai attribute dan bilangan kolom dia ni kita panggil sebagai degree, iaitu berapa bilangan attribute tersebut. Dalam keadaan ni dia ada 3. Yang mana entity? Yang mana entity? Which one is entity? Brittany, what is the name of this entity for this table?
Customer 3.
Yes, okay. Yang ini kita panggil sebagai entity. Okay, so itu dia. Okay, sekarang kita pergi kepada yang kedua. Table yang kedua. Yang tadi table yang pertama, sekarang kita akan lihat table yang kedua. Yang ini macam revision ya, yang apa yang you orang dah belajar tahu. Lepas ni lagi susah you tahu. Kalau you tak boleh tahu yang ni nanti lagi susah. Okay, kita pergi balik kepada Ahmad Kamal. Mana dia attribute? You can list for me. Tadi ada panggil ke? Belum kan? Dah panggil ke belum? Belum kan? Dah.
Belum.
Okey, Ahmad Kamal, yang mana attribute dia?
Attribute dia adalah product number,
Okey.
product description dan product unit price.
Yes, clever. Okay, can you give me the cardinal degree?
Degree dia 3.
Yes, number of attributes sama 3. Okay, bagus. Kita pergi kepada Fahmi. Fahmi, apa dia punya entity?
Product T.
Yes, this is the entity. Okay, thank you. Kita pergi kepada Aziz Irsyad. Yang mana tuple dia? Aziz Irsyad, yang mana tuple? Tuple adalah?
Row.
Yes, good. This is tuple. Yang ini adalah tuple. Okay? Dan berapa dia punya cardinality?
Lima.
Yes, bilangan row kita panggil sebagai cardinality. Dia ada 5. Okay, bagus. Okay, kita pergi lagi untuk order yang ke table yang ketiga ni. Okay, siapa? Which one is the entity for table 3? Divya, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Okay, which is the entity for table 3?
Table 1
Table
TT.
3. So we have 4 tables, right? So which one is we called it as entity?
Quantity.
Quantity. This is table 3. Are you looking at
Oh,
your
okay,
notes
sorry,
now?
madam. I thought table 4.
Entity, entity. I'm talking about entity. Which one is the entity? What is entity actually?
Order T.
Order T. Entity means the name of the table. You understand?
Okay,
Okay,
madam.
name of the table. So don't dream, y'all. I'll call y'all, you know. Don't worry, I will call y'all. Okay, next will be who to call? Nurul Najiha. Yang mana attribute untuk table ni?
Order number, order date and customer number.
Yes, good. Okay. So how many? What is the degree?
3.
3, bagus. Okey, kita panggil Sharifah. Yang mana tuple dia?
The number of row.
Okay, so this is your tuple. Okay, what is the cardinality?
5.
5. Okay, bagus. Okay, the last one. Rishigesan, which one is the entity?
Order product T.
Yes, this is the table 4. So the table name is the entity. Okay, which one is the attribute?
Order number, product number, quantity.
Okay, and you also give me the degree. How many? What is the degree?
3.
Okay, good. Okay, I call upon Iman Nur Hakim. Yang mana tuple? Iman?
Rose.
Yes, rows. Rows, we called it as tuple. Okay, and then what is the cardinality, Iman?
7.
What is that? Pardon?
7.
7. Okay, good. Okay, so this is what we call as entity. Attribute, number of column, we call it as, column, we call it as attribute in database. Table, we call it as entity. Column, we call it as attribute. Number of columns, we call it as degree. Row, kita panggil dia tuple. Number of rows, kita panggil dia cardinality. Ini saja. You perlu tahu. Okay? So, you dah tahulah. Walaupun you tak tahu yang ini ya, jawapan untuk ni adalah yang inilah saya dah tulis dekat atas, okey? Sekarang dia tanya apa ni? Tambahlah yang ini pun kita dah buat. Kita dah buat 1 dah, 2 dah. Okey, sekarang yang ini. Student ni apa dia? Siapa nak tanya? Suhasan. Suhasan, what is this? Student is what?
Entity,
And
the table name.
correct. Because that is the table name. Student is the table name. Okay. Shailesh, what is this? The second one. Name, SSN, home phone, address, office number, age, and GPA. What is it called? Pardon?
Attribute means
Pardon?
attribute.
Yes, attribute.
Attribute.
Today you're concentrating, huh? Okay. This one is already written here. Written here, tuples. Soalan dah bocor dah kat sini. Okay. What is the degree here? Syafiq, berapa degree kat sini untuk ni? Untuk entity ni berapa degree dia?
7.
Yes, 7. Okay. Tuple dia, berapa dia punya cardinality? Syafiq, you sendiri answer. What is the cardinality?
6.
6 ke?
Rows.
Row ini tak kira tau. 1, 2, 3, 4. Berapa? 5. So yang ni jangan ambil kira tau. Row tu data yang kita letak je you kena kira. Okay, so row dia, tuple dia adalah 5. Okay, so syntax. Apa tu syntax? Syntax adalah macam formula. Ada yang tanya saya apa tu syntax kan? Syntax adalah seperti formula. Okay, untuk student. Okay, kita lihat student apa dia. Where is student? Kita kembali kepada yang ni. Okay, table ni lah, table atas ni lah. So, bila kita nak tulis syntax, biasanya kita akan tulis seperti ni. Relation name. Yang ni macam formula tau. Relation name, lepas tu kita akan ada attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3, dot, attribute n. That means tak kisahlah formula kan, you boleh tulis macam tu tau. You takkan nak tulis sampai 100, 200, tak payah. Ini ya, syntax ni sama macam formula. Okay, sama macam formula ya. So yang inilah dia punya formula untuk syntax relation scheme ya. Kita tengok relation scheme ni. Bila kita tulis tentang relation scheme ni, kita akan tulis dia punya attribute sahaja. Relation scheme ni saya dah ajar sampai attribute. relation scheme ni untuk attribute. So bila you tulis relation name, attribute 1, 2, 3 and this one, sekarang dia nak untuk student, so you kena jawab lah. You kena jawab dekat sini. Apa dia punya relation dia? Apa you kena tulis dekat sini? Apa relation name dia? Table name. Relation name ni adalah table name dekat sini. Apa dia? Kita panggil siapa? I tak panggil lagi. I dah panggil semua aja. I tak nak panggil Tenarasan sebab dia tak ada semalam. Zafran dah masuk ke belum Zafran?
Ada puan.
Ada. Okay Zafran. Zafran tadi you masuk lambat sikit kan?
Maaf puan, saya tertidur tadi.
Okay. Okay Zafran. Apa jawapan untuk ni?
Student.
Student. Lepas tu?
Boleh slide atas sikit puan.
You orang tak ada nota ke? I nak harap you pula, you harap I pula.
Name.
I tak boleh nak pergi lagi bawah. Kalau I pergi lagi bawah, I tengok ada benda kat sini. Kalau I hide dia, I tak boleh nak tulis. Dia cakap.
Name. SSN, home phone, address.
Kejap. Okay, name. SSN. Okay, then?
Home phone.
Lagi you bagi tahu.
Address.
Then?
Office phone.
I tulis kat bawah lah office phone. Then finally, alamak ada lagi beberapa ke?
Age.
You ingat lagi kan? You ingat dah?
Ingat.
Okay, I sambung dekat sini tau. You janganlah lain kali nak tulis pergi sambung pula dekat bawah. Kalau you ada space jangan pergi tambah. Dia sepatutnya kena pergi straight line lah. Office phone lagi. Age. Lagi satu.
GPA.
Okay, so bila kita bagi tahu relation scheme ni, dia adalah merujuk kepada attribute. Ingat untuk table tersebut. Syntax seperti formula. Okay, ini ialah syntax dia. Bila you nak tulis syntax untuk relation scheme, ini dia. Relation name, attribute dia, bilangan attribute dia sampai n lah. Kalau syntax ini kita tulis sampai n sebab kita tak tahu ada berapa dia punya attribute tersebut. Tapi bila dia suruh tulis relation scheme, the real one, untuk table student ni, okay, so you kena tulis student name, SSN, semua attribute yang you tengok dalam table student tersebut. So yang ini table name tersebut lah dia punya entity tau. Relation name ni. Kemudian semua attribute tu you tulis lah. Okay, itu yang kita panggil sebagai relation scheme. Okay. So kita pergi lagi dekat sini apa dia. Okay, untuk table 1. Siapa nak tulis untuk saya? Bagi tahu saya untuk table 1. Write the relation scheme for table customer. Okay, kita nak panggil siapa dekat sini? Grace, I tak panggil you lagi kan hari ni? Okay, tell me the relation scheme for customer T.
Customer T.
You have to read, I'm not going back up. Okay.
Customer number.
Got underscore?
Yep. Customer underscore no. And then customer underscore name. And customer underscore address.
Yo.
That's
Okay,
it.
address lah. Okay.
Right.
Short form lah, tapi you jangan tulis macam ni salah. I tulis salah, so you write in full, okay? Okay, second one. Product T. Now I let volunteer. Who want to tell me for product T?
Hi, madam.
Name?
Suasan.
Okay, Swasan, what's the answer?
Product T.
Okay, I start here. Product T.
Bracket. Product number.
Okay.
Product description.
Underscore.
Yeah.
I put this short form lah.
Okay.
Okay, semua?
and then product underscore unit underscore price.
Okay, so three lah, three attributes. Okay. Third one, thanks. Thanks, Grace and Suhasan. Third one, siapa nak bagi tahu? Hello.
Me,
Are you all
madam.
there? Siapa ni?
Zafran.
Zafran. Okay, Zafran.
Order underscore T.
Okay, order underscore T. Okay.
Order underscore no.
Okay, order number then.
Order underscore date.
D?
Date.
Date. Oh, date. Okay, then.
Customer underscore
bukan.
number.
Oh, bukan. Okay. Customer underscore number NO lah.
NOR.
Okay. Okay, final one. I think I never called Darshini today. Okay, Darshini, you do the last one.
Order underscore product underscore T, ma'am.
Okay, this one. Okay, I assume this is your relation name. Okay, so I continue here. Okay.
Order underscore number.
I buat tulisan kecil lah. Order
Product
underscore number. Okay, then
Product underscore number.
product underscore number.
Quantity, ma'am.
Okay, so kita dah belajar. Yang inilah yang kita belajar semalam ya. Hari Rabu Okay, tengok you dah cover dah semua yang kita belajar hari tu. So saya rasa kalau you tak tahu sekarang, you pastikan you tahulah. Okay. So yang ini adalah relation scheme tau. Sekarang kita akan lihat relation instant. Relation instant tu dia akan bagi tahu apa dia dalam row tersebut. So kita akan pergi kembali kepada nota hari tu, nota topik 2. Alah, hang pula ni. Asyik hang je. I pun tak tahu kenapa. Okay, tak apa. I will go into here first lah. Where is this lah? Okay. So, okay. I'll give you these notes later because I've updated this note so much update. Saya even bagi orang buat yang ini kan. Saya suruh orang buat yang ini kan. Kita apa? Sebelum tu kita akan pergi kepada let me see. I can go into it. Okay, I can go already. I can go already chapter 2. Okay, so we go back here. Better for me to go here. You know why? Because I can conteng-conteng dekat sini. Okay, then I have to call another topic. Okay, now we are going into, so yang inilah kita dah lihat hari ini relation scheme. Okay, so relation scheme dia adalah name of the relation with its attributes. So name of the relation adalah entity dia, table dia. Okay, kemudian dia punya attributes. You tengok relation. Yang ini adalah syntax. Okay, ini yang kita lihat relation scheme. So hari ini kita akan lihat relation instance. Kita tengok kita akan lihat relation instance. So dia ada dua benda. Satu adalah relation scheme yang akan bagi tahu dia apa kolom-kolom dia, dan relation instant adalah apa dalam row dia. Relation instant is a finite set of tuples in a RDBMS system at any given time. So your row at any given time. Now this is your row. Okay. The tuple is an instance. Okay. It's known as extension of a relation. Okay. Never mind. You know the row data is tuples. Okay. It's called the tuple in an instance is known. Okay. So this is the tuple value. The relation instance change when tuple is updated, deleted or inserted. That means you update dia jadi 1004, so row you akan berubah. Kalau you tukar Alec jadi Acong, akan berubah. Okay, so you tukar ni jadi ataupun you delete dia. So row ni tak akan ada. Okay, so itu yang dia beritahu. The relation instant change when tuple is updated, deleted or inserted. So you can delete, you can insert lah 1005 something. You can also insert. Okay, when you update, you delete, or you insert, the relation instant change. Okay, so that's what they meant. Definitely lah, you takkan kadang-kadang row tu akan berubah kan. Okay, so untuk instant ni kita tulis seperti ni. Kita akan tulis seperti ni. Contoh, you tengok. Dia akan tulis bracket 1001 1 2 3 4 5 6 Alec lecturer JTMK 1111. Okay, yang ni yang pertama. Lepas tu yang kedua, yang ketiga. Dia buat bracket, dia tulis saja semua row. Tapi kalau ada perubahan, dia akan berubah. Faham tak? Itu yang dimaksudkan sebagai instant. Kita tengok dalam worksheet ni dia minta apa? Relation scheme. Describe a relation instance. Okay. So saya rasa kamu dah boleh jawab lah. What is relation scheme and what is relation instant. So what I want you to do is, I want you to do activity 2D now. You open your whatever. I think you must always prepare with your laptop. Okay, for this class you need to have laptop. And here for each table, I want you to write relation scheme and also relation instant. Okay, where is it? Relation instant and relation scheme. So for each table, I want you to write for each table, write one relation scheme and second one relation instance. Okay, so you can start now. You have 3 tables. I want you to do it now. Okay, and then the other one is from your workbook 2D. You can complete 2D. This one is theory. It's already here. What is instant is already here. It's a finite set of tuples. Okay, and scheme is represent the name of relation. It's already there. Just write that one. Okay, and do this question. Who do not have laptop, who cannot see your notes? Make sure you for this class, I think semua kena ada laptop. Siapa yang tak ada laptop untuk kelas ni? Semua ada kan? So you boleh keluarkan, you boleh tulis jawapan dia sekarang ya.
Nak tulis kat mana, madam?
Ya?
Nak tulis kat mana?
Tulislah dekat kertas ke mana-mana lah you nak tulis. Nanti bila I minta, nanti you bacalah kat I. Okay. Tapi yang ini you boleh tulis dalam ni tau. Nanti kan saya akan minta you hantar. So yang ini you tulis dalam ni. Activity, workbook you tulis dalam book yang ni. Tapi yang chapter 2 punya ni, you boleh tulis dia. You boleh tulis dekat mana-mana ni. Kalau you ada nota you dekat you boleh tulis dekat tepi. Kalau you tak ada nota, you refer kepada nota I saja. You ambil selai kertas, you tulis sebab I akan biarkan screen ni. Okay. So I give you 5 minutes to complete this. I will, 5 minutes enough lah I think. So you can start now. So you write relation name and instance. Dah makan ke belum you orang?
Dah, madam.
Dah. Tunggu nak masuk hostel tak? Nak masuk poli tak? Terus seronok duduk kat rumah. Yang mana best?
Duduk rumah.
Duduk rumah. Okey. Hmm. Dah biasa kan duduk rumah. You orang batch SPM yang duduk rumah jugalah tu. Online class. Bukan? Ya.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Okay. I cannot see you all like this lah. You all must come to the class. Then I can then you cannot be so silent like this. Okay, 5 minutes ready. What is the answer for the first one, relation scheme? I think you can read from the notes. What is the answer? Also need to call names, is it? Umaira, apa answer dia? Relation scheme, what is the definition for this?
A set of relational tables and associated
I think
items.
it's here, right? A relation scheme represent there. This one, right? A relation scheme represents the name of the relation with its attributes. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, for the second one also, I just tell you all, the second one, this is the answer. Relation instance is the finite set of tuples in the RDBMS system at any given time. Okay, so it will change. That's why they said any given time. But for this, for attribute, they won't give any given time because you don't simply change your attributes. Or you might add, but you won't change normally. But for your row, kalau orang resign ke, pelajar dah grad ke, so yang tu row dia tau. Yang itu bukan attribute, yang itu row. Yang itu akan berubah. Okay, tapi dia punya attribute tak akan berubah. Relation scheme is always same. That's why for relation instant, they said finite set of tuple. It could be infinite. It could be infinite. How many rows also you can put it in? System at any given time. So that is your row at any given time because it will change when you update, when you delete, when you insert. Okay. Okay, now we go back to here. Okay, the first one. What is the relation scheme? Who can tell me? Also need to call names, is it? Fahmi? Fahmi, apa relation name dia?
Cost.
I mean relation scheme dia. Cost. Okay, so I'll tulis dekat atas. So cost, kemudian?
In bracket.
Okay, bracket I dah tulis.
Cost code.
Cost code, betul. Kemudian?
Name.
Name, then?
Unit.
Unit, then?
Staff number.
Staff number. So ini adalah, I tulis dekat sini ya, ini adalah relation scheme. Okay, untuk table cost. So kita akan mula dengan table name ni cost, lepas tu yang lain dan tutup bracket. Okay, siapa? Fahmi, you juga bagi tahu I apa dia relation instant untuk ni.
SKU.
Okay, so I letak dekat sini saja. Satu, I letak bracket dekat sini. Okay. Kemudian tutup bracket kat mana?
Staff number yang 1001.
Yes, staff number, betul. Yang kedua pula, instance yang kedua. SM sampai?
1002.
Okay, the last one will be?
KP 400.
Okay, this is the 3 lah. So kita ada instance 3 sampai?
1002.
Okay, good. So this is called as relation scheme. Okay, so now I'm going to Kavina. Tell me what is the relation scheme for table student. Kavina?
Yes, madam. Student ID.
Student. Okay, I start from here. It must start with the entity name. You understand? It must start with the entity name. Okay, so I write student here. So the next will be student.
Student ID.
Okay, next.
Name and major.
Yes, good. Now you understand, Okay, Kavina, you understand now?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so this is what we call as relation scheme. Okay, Kavina, I want you to tell me what is the relation, sorry, silap tulis dekat sini kejap. Bukan relation scheme, relation instance. Yang ini instance. So now tell me the relation instance. What are they?
The student ID D211.
Yes, so I put the bracket here until?
Until the DDT major.
Second one?
D2115. The student ID until the major also.
Good. Third one?
Third one, the student ID until the major. Same.
Okay, so we have done until here. So this is what we called as relation instance. Tengok tulisan I teruk betul. This is what we called as relation instance. Okay, so you all know already. Okay, we go to the last one. Suyuf. Suyuf, what is the relation scheme untuk table terakhir ni? Suyuf, are you there? Suyuf? Suyuf? Fakrus Suyuf. Are you there? Let me check. You have internet problem ke? Wait, let me check. Is he still there now? Ayo. Class, can you see my slide?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Okay, where is Suyuf? I lupa wakil kelas siapa? Wakil kelas. Siapa wakil kelas? Wakil kelas. Yes? Zafran.
Nazirul.
Siapa?
Nazirul.
Nazrul. Okay, Nazrul. Okay. Penolong? Alia.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, mana Suyuf? I punya PC ni hang pula. Time to change, I think. Wait. Okay, so who can give me the answer for this? It's hang actually. Suyuf, I tak tahu mana dia pergi. Bagi tahu dia, kalau dia tak respon, I akan letak kosong dekat dia. Siapa-siapa yang tak respon bila saya panggil, that means I assume you are not in the class. Okay, so we go to Adib. Adib, what is the relation scheme untuk ni? I cannot use. Oh my god. It's hang.
Yes, madam.
Apa relation scheme untuk ni?
Grade, bracket,
Okay, I cannot write. I have problem.
okay.
Wait, let me try again. Let me try. Still cannot. Something wrong with my laptop. Just now only I was telling the technician my laptop got problem. You see, I can't do anything. Okay, never mind. You all know the answer, right? Grade. Okay, and then you write student. What is the answer? Adib?
Student ID,
Okay, student ID and then followed by?
course code,
Okay.
and grade point.
Okay, then you bracket lah. Tutup bracket, betul?
Betul.
Okay, so that will be your relation scheme. And the last one will be your relation instant. Which one is your relation instant?
D2111 until grade point.
Okay,
3.
from here to here and then?
D2122 until 3.5.
Okay, good. And the final one will be?
D2115 until 2.8.
Okay, so that will be your relation instance. So far we have covered everything about a table in a, we have covered everything about table in RDBMS, okay? So I've taught you what is entity, I taught you what is attribute, I taught you what is tuple, I taught you of what is number of cardinality, what is cardinality, what is degree, and then I came here and I taught you what is the relation scheme, what is the syntax, what is the relation scheme, and for relation instant is about the row, also I've taught you. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you another new thing that is called okay, finally it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a new thing that is explain relation keys, primary key, candidate key, and foreign key. Ini bukan kunci nak masuk bilik dan kunci untuk masuk rumah semua ya. Ini adalah kunci yang kita akan ada dalam setiap table tersebut. Okay? So kita ada 3 jenis key dia. Hari tu pun saya dah bagi tahu kamu ya. Bila saya ajar kamu yang ini, saya dah bagi tahu yang kena tanda ni, tengok untuk satu attribute tu, bila dia adalah bergaris, yang ini kita panggil sebagai primary key. Okay? Yang ini kita panggil, yang bergaris ni kita panggil primary key. Apakah primary key sebenarnya? Primary key ini adalah sesuatu yang unik. Primary key ini mesti unik. Dalam satu table tu, bila you nak buat satu relation, you kena ada sesuatu yang unik. Okay? So itu yang kita panggil primary key. Even candidate key ni pun adalah unik. Okay. Tapi daripada candidate key ni, kita mungkin dalam satu table tu kita mungkin ada nombor matrix, kita mungkin ada nombor IC, kita mungkin ada email. Okay, so kita tahu nombor matrix, nombor IC dan email ni adalah unik. Email, setiap seorang akan ada nombor email yang unik. So yang ini adalah unik, yang ini adalah unik, yang ini adalah unik. Okay, katakan ya. Tapi kita kena tahu sebagai pelajar di politeknik ni, so yang tiga-tiga ni, yang tiga-tiga unik ni kita panggil sebagai candidate key. Okay, kita panggil dia sebagai candidate key sebab yang ini adalah unik. Nombor IC pun di Malaysia setiap seorang ada unik dan email pun adalah unik. Okay, tapi yang mana sebagai pelajar ya, sebagai pelajar di politeknik ni, yang mana you akan pilih dia sebagai primary key? Yang mana? Nombor IC ke, email ke, nombor matrix?
IC.
Okay, you boleh pilih mana-mana satu lah, nombor IC atau nombor matrix. Tapi yang paling penting sebagai pelajar di politeknik ni adalah nombor matrix. So kita pilih nombor matrix ini. Contohlah, saya bagi contoh je ya. Mungkin you boleh pilih IC pun tahu, tak ada masalah. You boleh pilih, you pilih you punya nombor matrix sebagai primary key. Sebab nombor matrix, setiap pelajar ada nombor matrix yang berbeza-beza. Okay, so kita pilih dia sebagai primary key. Yang dua ni kita biarkan dia sahaja. Okay, apa beza di antara primary key dengan candidate key ni? Primary key ni bila saya nak isi di DDT, you tahun berapa? 21 kan? 21 F1005 ni. Okay, saya mesti isi semua tu, mesti ada. Dia tak boleh ada not null. Saya tak boleh tinggalkan primary key itu kosong. Bila saya declare dia, bila saya declare nombor matrix ini sebagai primary key, saya tak boleh tinggalkan dia kosong. Setiap kolom, setiap row ni kena diisi. Dia tak boleh not null. Not null means kosong. Tak boleh. Tapi yang candidature key ni, kalau dia tak ada email, saya boleh letak dash. Dia tak ada IC, saya boleh letak dash. Sebab saya tak declare IC sebagai primary key. Saya tak declare email sebagai primary key. Saya hanya declare nombor matrix sebagai primary key. So nombor IC, nombor email semua ni kita boleh biarkan dia. Yang ini boleh jadi not null. Yang ini boleh jadi sorry, not null. Okay, sorry. Dia mesti, dia boleh jadi null. Null means kosong. Dia tak, yang ini tak boleh jadi kosong. Okay, sorry ya. Not null, that means dia tak boleh jadi kosong. Yang ini null, dia boleh jadi null. Yang ini pun boleh jadi null, dash lah. Okay, that means you boleh tinggalkan dia kosong sebab dia hanyalah candidate key. Dia bukan primary key. Untuk primary key, you mesti letak dia punya nilai nombor matrix tersebut. Faham tak? Itu beza di antara primary key dengan candidate key. Seperti yang saya bagi tahu, primary key dengan candidate key dua-dua adalah unik. Tapi daripada keunikan tu, kita pilih yang mana jadi primary key. Mungkin kalau you guna dekat Jabatan Pendaftaran Negara ke atau tempat-tempat lain, you boleh gunakan pilih you punya primary key sebagai IC. Okay? Tapi di Poli, kita gunakan nombor matrik. Contohlah, mungkin di Poli pun you boleh guna nombor IC. Tapi bila you dah declare dia sebagai primary key, you tak boleh tinggalkan row dia, langsung tak boleh kosong. You faham tak? Row dia tu tak boleh langsung kosong. Okay? Tapi yang lagi dua ni, walaupun dia adalah unik, kita panggil dia sebagai candidate key ni, you boleh biar dia kosong. Katakan 1005 dia tak ada matrik, nombor IC dia tak ada email, you boleh tinggalkan dia kosong. It could be null. Null means it's zero. You can let it null. Faham? Faham You boleh tahu only one candidate key can be primary key. You tengok. Kita ada 3 candidate key, you pilih satu jadi primary key. So cannot contain null entries. So must be not null. Null means adalah kosong, so dia mestilah not null. Okay. Lepas tu saya akan datang kepada candidate foreign key ya. A candidate key can be any column or combination of column. Contohlah, okay. There can be multiple candidate key. Seperti yang saya bagi tahu, tiga-tiga ni dalam attribute tu, tiga-tiga ni nombor matrik, nombor IC, email adalah candidate key. It could be any number of candidate key. Okay. Each candidate key can qualify as primary key. So you boleh pilih nombor matrik, you boleh pilih nombor IC, you juga boleh pilih email. Tapi you pilih yang terbaik. Okay. Dan dia boleh jadi null. Can contain null entries. Can yang ini cannot contain null values. Okay. So dekat sini the difference between primary key and candidate key Okay, saya dah bagi tahu lah. Primary key is a unique key and not null, not zero which identify a record uniquely. Okay. Dia macam record lah kan. Nombor matrix adalah record you. Orang tak kenal you, sistem SPMB lebih kebanyakannya kenal you dengan nombor matrix you. Okay, so your record uniquely, identify your record uniquely. Okay, a table can have only one primary key. Okay, meanwhile candidate key is also unique key to identify a record uniquely in a table, but the table can contain multiple candidate key. Macam saya bagi tahu lah. Null primary key column value cannot be null, cannot be zero. Can have candidate key, can have zero. You can leave it empty. Okay, objective. Primary key is most important part of a relation. Dia yang paling penting tau, dia yang menentukan relation or table lah dalam entity tersebut. Yang paling penting adalah primary key. Sebab tu kita akan underline primary key tersebut. And then candidate keys signify as which key can be used as primary key. So daripada candidate key tu nanti you dah ada 3 candidate key tu, you pilihlah yang mana yang terbaik. Okay? And use lah which one is a primary key is a candidate key. Okay, never mind. Okay, di sini example. Ini saya belum pergi lagi kepada foreign key ya. Okay, Suyuf dah balik ke belum? Kalau tak, I kena letak kosong. Suyuf, are you there? Suyuf? Okay, tell him I'm going to put the second half is 0 for him. Okay? Unless you have any valid reason, I'm not going to accept you all to be like this. Okay? Because you have to sit for exam, so you have to be there. Okay, yang ini ya. The above table contains 4 attributes. So you ada attribute nombor ID, name, email ID, department. Okay, so kita ada, kita boleh consider yang mana kita boleh consider ID number and email number can be considered as candidates key. Betul tak? Sebab apa? Sebab apa? Kita tahu ID number dengan email akan sentiasa berbeza. Okay? So kita boleh consider ID number dengan email ID ni sebagai candidate key. Okay? So daripada sini, because both attributes have the, why did we choose ID and ID number and email ID? Because both attributes have the ability to uniquely identify the records or rows in the table. Okay? So uniquely identify. So bila I carian I adalah 001, so I akan keluar at least yang ini dengan ini. Okay, so I ada 2 candidate key. That is email ID and also ID number. So now, but here noticeable things is that the email address Chandler is not present. Still it can be considered. Tapi apa bezanya? You tengok, email address dia tak ada. You boleh biarkan dia tak bagilah email address, so dia tak bagi. Dan kadang-kadang email address ni mungkin ada 2. So yang benda yang terbaik kita nak pilih untuk table ni, kita pilih yang ini adalah primary key. Faham tak? kita pilih primary key sebagai ID number. So you tak boleh biarkan dia kosong. Okay? You tak boleh biarkan dia kosong. Kenapa kita tak pilih email ID walaupun dia adalah unik, dia pun adalah salah satu candidate key sebab dia ada kosong dekat sini. So mungkin dia tak bagi. So tak apa. Kalau tak ada email tak apa. So kita biarkan saja. Okay. So di sini untuk table ni PK dia, primary key dia adalah ID number. Okay. It hang again. It's okay. We wait for a while. Okay, don't go back. I go back to here again. Okay. So I think you have no issue with that. So we go back here. Yang ni sama lah. You tengok, kita ada product ID, kita ada possible candidate key dekat sini pun. Name tak boleh candidate key. Name tak boleh candidate key ya. Kita ada product number. Okay. Yang kita boleh jadikan dia product ID dengan product number ni kita boleh jadikan dia candidate key. Tapi yang kita pilih adalah product ID. Product number pun kita boleh jadikan dia primary key. Okay. Tapi dalam sini kita ambil product ID dan okay. Macam mana daripada candidate key ni kita boleh pilih? Not null, unique in the table, static are the best candidate key. Dia static, dia tak berubah-ubah. Okay. So macam itulah kita pilih candidate key. I mean primary key ya. Primary key kita pilih. Saya rasa kamu tahulah macam mana nak pilih. Okay. And this is a null attribute. Saya rasa saya dah bagi tahu kamu ya. Explain two important integrities, Veda. Let me see. Okay. Okay, Veda. Wait here. Okay. Where is your candidate key example? Okay, now. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay. This is your integrity. Sorry, entity integrity and referential integrity. Okay. Where is it? Okay, entity integrity means what is null attribute? Currently not known. Null means you tinggalkan kosong lah. Apa tu null? Null is dash or you tinggalkan dia kosong. Okay? Itu null. Null represent a value for an attribute which is currently not known. You tak tahu value dia. Okay, dalam satu table tu, okay, katakan name, IC, matrix, okay. So, ini semua susah punya tu, I keluarkan satu. Okay, maybe age, okay. So name, you can ada lah, name you have name lah, Ali. IC, you can ada. Tapi age ni 7142 something. Age dia tak ada. So ini yang kita panggil null. Pada masa ni you tak tahu apa age dia. Ataupun nombor telefon dia. You tak tahu. So you tinggalkan dia dash. Itu yang kita panggil what is null attribute. Currently not known. Later you might know. Okay. So here we have two entity integrity. So dalam entity pun setiap table lah, entity adalah table, kita perlu ada integrity dia. All primary key entries are unique. So dalam setiap table tu, you kena ada primary key yang tak semestinya ada primary key ya. Tak semestinya ada primary key. Kalau you lihat balik ya, yang saya ajar hari Rabu kalau you lihat balik ya, bila entity dia adalah weak entity ya, you tengok. Bila dia adalah double rectangle macam ni, dia adalah weak entity. Bila dia adalah weak entity, maka dia tak akan ada primary key. Tengok, tak ada primary key. Primary key ni hanya akan ada untuk yang strong entity, yang strong saja yang akan ada primary key. Ingat tu So it can also be without primary key. You should know that A table, an entity can be without a primary key when it is a weak entity. A strong entity, you see this is a rectangle, this is a strong entity which must have a PK. You see, all the strong entity will have a PK, primary key. Okay. Okay, now we go back to, okay, I think you know what is, okay. And then this is the entity, all primary key. If it is a strong entity, it must have a primary key. Okay, the purpose each row will have a unique identifier and a foreign key. Okay, foreign key I tak ajar lagi ya. Okay, bukan you pergi Singapore you bawa foreign key you, tak perlu. Apa foreign key saya akan terangkan kemudian. Okay, and then you have referential integrity. Okay, a foreign key may have either a null entry, foreign key can be 0. As long as it is not part of its table's primary key or an entry that matches the primary key value in the table. Okay, so I go back here again. This one I think I have to save it again. Save as PDF. Okay, so I put some more notes on top for it. Okay, so I go back here because I've added some more notes here. Okay, sebelum I pergi kepada yang referential integrity ni, I ajar kamu apa tu foreign key tau. Ni silap eja ni, foreign key ni. Okay, so foreign key, kita dah belajar primary key is an unique key. Kita dah belajar candidate key, also unique keys, but from the candidate key, that's where we choose primary key. Foreign key ni dia seperti ni tau. Okay, you tengok personal ID table person ni, saya tunjuk daripada sini ya. Table person ni, you tengok. Okay, person ID, the entity is person table. Okay, the entity is person table. Okay, and then the attributes, you have person ID, last name, first name, age. Yang mana you akan pilih sebagai primary key kat sini? Okay, yang mana? Brittany, which one is qualified to become your primary key? Brittany.
For last name.
Pardon?
Last name.
No, normally we don't choose name because by the way long there can be a more Brittany, the same father name, the same first name, you know. So it's very, very dangerous for you to choose name as a primary key. What are the other one?
Person ID.
Yes, we choose personal ID. Don't ever choose name as primary key because sometimes we will have, you won't know your data, you might have few same names, first name, last name you can have. Here, I think in this class, we don't have the same name, but sometimes we might have, like we have Adik, maybe given name Adik, okay? So sometimes you won't know. So your primary key is here, okay? The person ID column in the person table is the primary key in the person's table. So it's already stated here, but this is order table. So we can't put everything in the same table, okay? So order ID. So order ID 1, order number this one, who's the person? So you refer back to this. Oh, order ID 3, the person is Peterson, Curry, age 20. So this is what we call as foreign key. Okay, the foreign key constraints prevents invalid data from being inserted into foreign key column. So never mind. This is the foreign key. Like this is parent. This is parent table. This is child. Example of parent and child. Okay. Example. Like you go kindergarten. You go kindergarten. Example parent and child also. You go to kindergarten, and then the kid don't know what's his IC number, don't know what's the father's name. 3 years old, they don't know anything. One, you send them. So the parents want to, the teacher want to identify who's the mother, who's the father through the father's IC or the mother's ICA. Okay, so that will be the primary key. The father's IC or the mother's IC will be the primary key, and the child will be under them. Okay, the child will be under them. So for the child also, they will have the father's IC number here because they want to know who is the father. So you link back to the table. So you see, we have foreign key. Okay, we have primary key here, and then the primary key also become the foreign key here. Sometimes this one also can become your, no, this one will become your primary key here. Your order ID will become your primary key. Your personal ID will come foreign key. You know why? Because order number 1, who did? Who order number 1? Who did order number 3? Who did order number 3? Person ID 2. So we go back to, oh, Hanson. His age is 30. So he is the one who did the order number 3. So we want to get this particular. That's how related. The relation is through the foreign key. Okay. So that is foreign key. And because of this foreign key, you cannot simply update the table. Later when you do lab, I will show you how to disable this foreign key for you to key in. Once you declare a foreign key, you cannot simply update the rows, update the data. Okay, because they don't want any issue. That's why they say constraint prevent invalid data. Why foreign key? It has a constraint prevents invalid data from being inserted into the foreign key column because it has to be one of the values contained in the parent table. Okay, so you cannot put 5, 6 when it is not in the parent table. When it's not in the parent's table, you cannot put it in the child table. Okay, so that's why that is a constraint. Okay, whatever in the parents table, this is called parent. That means bukan bapa I punya lah, bukan parent child lah. That means domain yang macam parent child, you know right? Bapa you, anak you, bukan bapa you, anak you. Kita panggil table ni child. Yang main table tu bapa. Okay, so parent child, parent ah. So untuk prevent invalid data lah. Okay. So now I've talked so much already. Now what I want you to do is now you can go back to your work activity again, and since I already told you that I want you to do now 2E, complete it until 2F. Can you? Now do it now and send to me now itself. You can do it now individually. So D we already did. So I want you to do 2E, and I want you to identify primary key and foreign key for each of these table. Let me see I have any other exercise for you or not here. Hang on. Let me check I have any exercise or not. No exercise. So you have to see I already given you a personal ID, person ID, person ID. So from this table, you have to identify table 1. You have to identify what is PK. Okay, but you do not have FK, foreign key. You do not have. So you find for me and tell me you have 4 tables. You identify primary key. Some entities, some tables might not have primary key or foreign key. Okay, some might have only foreign key, might not have primary key. So you have to identify that. Okay, so you start doing activity 2E and 2F. Now.
Madam?
Yes.
So 2E we only do for primary key, right? The foreign key, do you need to issue?
Yeah, 2E, you tell what is the definition of primary key, candidate key, foreign key. And then number 2, you have to identify which one is the primary key and which one is the foreign key. Okay, example, I go here, I don't want to show in that, got any other tables around here? Okay, no tables. Sayang sekali tak ada table. So, I tak boleh nak tunjuk dia table yang sama, nanti jawapan leak pula. So, can you do that? Can you start from here? This one, each table you identify primary key and foreign key. And I'm telling you, some tables might not have primary key, but they might have foreign key. You got it? The weak entity one will not have primary key, okay? They can be only child. That's why they are weak. Okay, so you can do now, because after this, once you are done, then I will be going into relational algebra. That will be even tougher. That one is more like algebra. It's more like a maths. So you all take out your notes. I want you to pass up today now. So I'll wait for you. We will discuss before we end the class today. So you're still not here. Anyone else not here yet? So are you there? No.
Yes, madam.
Tadi pergi mana?
Tadi wifi saya disconnect. Lepas tu boleh connect balik. Saya tahu kenapa.
Ya ke?
Ya.
Oh. I lama juga panggil you, Suyuf.
Ya, madam.
You tak message
Saya
I,
nak connect, tak boleh connect.
You ada message lah. Lain kali ada masalah, please let me know, okay?
Okay. Sorry, madam.
Okay. Kalau tak, I nak letak you kosong dah hari ni. Okay, boleh mula buat lah soalan ni. Boleh ya? Ada apa-apa constraint ke? You orang kena hantar hari ni. Lepas kita bincang jawapan dia, saya nak kamu hantar. So, you orang lebih baik buat dalam Word ke. Okay, lepas tu saya akan open dalam CDOS. You boleh hantar hari ni dalam CDOS. So far any questions, class? Class, any question?
No, madam.
Tak ada, madam.
So you can finish at this part because before we go to relational algebra. That one is even tougher but very interesting. I'll give you a lot of activity next week.
Madam.
Yes.
Nanti nak hantar dari activity 2C eh?
Semualah activity 2 ni hantar semua.
Oh, dari first lah.
Dari first sampai tadi sampai berapa ni? I punya hang lah.
2F eh?
2F So you hantar
okay.
sampai 2F lah. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, you orang boleh tanya ya. I ada kat sini juga.
Madam,
Ya, ya.
yang apa primary key tu
Okay.
nak tulis semua row ke?
Tak. You just primary key ni. Okay, contoh lah. Contoh macam soalan tadi. You tak tahulah. Ini je. Okay, contoh macam dekat sini. Table I tadi mana? Okay, macam ni kan? Yang ini primary key kan? You just identify yang ini aja primary key. Nampak?
Oh, ID nombor
Contoh I bagi tahu lah ID nombor ni primary key kan. You just underline there, you bagi tahu primary key. Faham?
Oh, baik madam.
Tak payah tulis balik tau. Nanti foreign key pun sama yang mana foreign key. Okay.
Baik madam.
Okay.
Yang tak ada foreign key just slash ya madam.
Kalau tak ada foreign key tak payah update lah.
Oh, baik madam.
Kalau tak ada primary key pun tak payah buat.
Baik.
Yang ada je buat. Okay? Sudah buat ke? Saya rasa yang teori buat tu you boleh buat kemudian lah. Untuk yang ini. Okay. Okay, saya rasa yang teori part ni, what is primary key semua dah ada dalam nota. So you can just explain what is primary key, foreign key. Ada dekat sini lah. Okay, what is your primary key, what is your foreign key and your candidate key, you boleh bagi tahu dekat sini. Okay, dan dah ada, you boleh guna explanation yang itu. Sekarang yang pertama ni, yang mana you rasa primary key untuk customer T ni? Yang mana primary key?
Customer no.
Customer number, okay betul. Yang ini adalah you boleh identify seperti ni ataupun tulis dekat bawah tu lah. Okay, you boleh tulis dekat bawah ni ya. You boleh tulis dekat sini, primary key dia adalah customer number. Okay, so you tengok ada tak foreign key yang you rasa dia perlu ada? Ada tak foreign key dekat sini? Yang you rasa dia akan jadi yang foreign key untuk table ni, ada tak?
Tak ada, madam.
Tak ada. Okay, tak ada foreign key ya. Tak ada foreign key untuk ni tau. Tak ada. Sebab dialah bapa. Okay, dialah bapa. Dia bawah ni baru anak-anak dia. Okay, so kita akan lihat yang table yang kedua ya. Okay, table yang kedua ni yang mana foreign key? Anyone?
Product number.
Yes, it is product number. The product number is the primary key. Okay, so do you think there is any primary key? Is there a foreign
No.
key? No, also. No foreign key also. So what is that? Product number. So the product, this one will be product number. Sorry lah, today I tak bagi you rest. I bagi you buat ni je sebab I nak habiskan part ni lah. Okay, and then you have order T. Okay, order T ni, apa yang you ada? Yang mana primary key dia?
Order number.
Yes, correct. This is your primary key. Ada foreign number tak? Foreign key tak?
Customer number.
Yes, this is your foreign key. You understand now? So, ini adalah child lah. Yang ini adalah child. So, parents dia adalah dalam customer team. So, untuk order number 111, dia punya customer number adalah 1234. So, kita tahu siapa customer dia. Dia Natasha. Dan apa alamat dia kita boleh rujuk balik. Okay? Bagus. Okay? So, foreign key dia ada order number dengan customer number, betul? Order number dengan customer number adalah primary key. Faham ya? Okay, yang terakhir sekali. Yang ini yang susah sikit tau untuk you orang nak buat ya. Primary key, you kena tentukan tau. Sebab apa? Lepas ni you kena tentukan bila kita buat lab nanti, you kena tahu macam mana nak determine dia punya foreign key dengan dia punya primary key. Okay, yang ini pula ada apa? Yang mana primary key, yang mana foreign key?
Dia tak ada primary key ya, madam.
Dia tak ada primary key sebab entity dia adalah weak entity. It's a weak entity ya, dia tak kuat. Okay? So dia ada apa?
Foreign key.
Ada berapa?
2.
2. Tapi I tak berapa pasti you boleh declare dua-dua ke tak. Nanti kita akan cuba masa buat lab. Okay? So kalau you ikutkan dia ada order number. Untuk order dia ada primary key ni. So untuk satu-satu you boleh tengok dia ada product number. Okay, dua-dua pun foreign key you. Dua-dua pun you boleh declare. Tapi saya tak berapa pasti dalam sistem kita boleh declare dua-dua ke. Tapi dia jadi child untuk order dan juga dia jadi a child untuk product. Okay, so bila dia tahu ni, dia dah tahu semua barang yang dia nak. You boleh cari, you boleh jadikan, you boleh cari semua benda yang ada kaitan dengan dia. So order number, product number. Okay. See order. Silap ini bukan. Dia tak ada primary key. Boleh boleh tahu. Dia boleh tak ada primary key dengan order number. Okay. So yang ini yang mana entity integrity?
Yang atas entity.
Yang atas sebab dia adalah each instance of entity must have a unique primary key value that is not null. Betul ke? A reference table. Betul lah. Yang mana ni? Kita tengok balik. Saya pun tak dah lupa dah dia punya tu. Kejap Kita tengok balik Okey, kita tengok balik. All primary key entries are unique and no part of the primary. Okey, betul lah. Okay, so this is entity integrity. Dan yang ini pula rules about the relationship between entities. A reference item in one table must exist in another table, that is a referential integrity. Okay, betul. Okay, so ada apa lagi? Habis dah? Yang ini orang boleh buat kan? What is primary key, customer, this one, all these are done here. So far, you have any questions? Class?
Tak ada, madam.
Tak ada. Boleh faham? Boleh hantar dekat saya dalam SIDOS sebelum pukul 4 suku?
Boleh,
Class?
madam.
Madam.
Yes. Can anyone has any issues?
Madam.
Yes.
Sorry, can you tell like which one to hand in?
Okay, I will tell you again. I will just share my screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I want you, this one you send to me individual. Okay.
Which one? The two.
Okay, you start because Wednesday we already did all this part, right?
We
I
did
asked you to
2A
do.
or not? We did two.
Yeah. See,
2A or not?
lab activity 2 relational database. Can you see this? Lab activity 2 relational database. So you start from here. The activity 2A, activity 2B.
Madam, you showing your screen
I'm showing lah. Cannot see
I can't see anything.
Wait lah. Silap, tak share. Okay, nampak?
Yep.
Sekarang nampak kan? Okay, mula dekat sini. Lab activity 2 relational database ni kan? Okay. Activity 2A. Activity 2B. Activity 2C. 2D. 2E. 2E lah. Sampai 2E dengan 2F. Okay.
Oh, basically just all lah, madam. All for.
All. But this is not topic 2, you know. This one is topic 2, another activity. Actually, you finish off activity lab activity 2 lah.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Because we already discussed all the answers I've given you. So I want you to submit lab activity 2 ni individually ya. You hantar seorang-seorang. Boleh?
Can.
Boleh, madam.
Boleh ya. So sekarang saya akan buka dalam SIDOS. So you boleh buat seorang-seorang lah dalam tu. Ada apa-apa soalan ke you nak tanya? Saya open sampai you nak sampai pukul berapa?
Until night lah, madam.
Huh?
Until night lah.
Okay. So I give you until 12. Is it okay?
Yeah, can, madam.
Madam.
Boleh ya, Syafiq?
Submit dalam PDF ke?
PDF lah, senang. Nanti kita nak tengok. Saya dah bincang jawapan, nanti saya nak tengok-tengok balik saja. Kalau saya nak betulkan apa, saya betulkan lah. Okay. Siapa lagi nak tanya? Rishi Gason, are you okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, can understand
I can.
Okay, so you have to send to me the assignment by end of tonight lah. I give you until 11:59. Okay, Brittany.
Yes.
Okay, Brittany. Any question?
No.
No. Azik Irshad.
Yes, madam.
Any question?
No.
No. Iman. Iman. Any
Yes, madam.
questions, Iman?
No. No, wait, no.
No. So if any one of you in between you have internet problem, please message me. I think messaging you won't have any internet issues. So just message me, I will know. Okay, what's your issue? And then Abhinaya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Dashini?
Okay, ma'am.
Alia,
Yes, ma'am.
are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to end the class now and you can leave now. Okay. So we will meet on next Tuesday as usual lah. Okay. So next Tuesday we have 2 more. I mean next week I have to finish this topic. So I hope if you have any question you can ask me now or in next class. Okay, you can message me anytime. I think most of you, whenever you message, I will promptly reply you. Okay, so if you do not have anything, you can leave now and have a nice day. Okay, so take care, stay safe. Okay, bye.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
See you all.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.